Airport. It was 80 degrees under cloudy skies. At point. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Belmont County, Quincy County, southern Harrison County, northeastern Muskingum County, northeastern Noble County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were along a line extending from Adamsville to 6 miles southwest of Bridgeville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour gusts. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Locations impacted include Adamsville, Ferncliff, Bridgeville, Otsego, Bowdoin, Norwich, Chandlersville, New Concord, Campbellton, Cambridge, Salt Fork State Park, Birmingham. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Now looking